West Virginia 71, with rocks passing just inches from the windows. It could be the tightest road we've driven.
Man, that road's narrow.
At the end of each drive, we'll give the road a score and add it to our list of the best back roads. Stick around to see where this drive falls on our list and join our mission to find and drive the best back road.
Rick, watch the stop sign at the bottom. We're turning left. You are still going the correct way.
After each drive, we'll give the road a score and add it to our list of the best back roads. The road has some very tight turns separated by more flowing sections, 5 of 10. The sections between the tight turns have limited interest, 4 of 10. With just 6 miles, the road only has a few driveways and houses, 5 of 10. There are no passing zones or pull-offs. Traffic is light, 3 of 10. Most of the road is narrow with rocks just off the pavement. Some sections are broken. There's gravel on the surface, 1 of 5. With a driving score of 18 points, the road is just behind Virginia 39. If you choose to tackle this road, use caution and enjoy the adventure, 2 of 5. With 20 points roads overall, the road is 24th on our list, far behind the leading roads. If you enjoyed the video, drop a comment to let us know. Check the channel for a playlist with every video in our Best Backroad series. If you haven't already, subscribe and join us on our next drive as we continue our mission to find and drive the best backroad.